Oh my goodness, look at these lashes. These are not false lashes, these aren't even lash extensions. What I think is so unique about this mascara is that it's dual-ended. On one end, we have a super thin, fine wand that creates the most stunning frame and fluttery looking lashes. Unscrew this side to reveal a curling, volumizing and lengthening mascara wand. These two ends, when used together, create the most stunning false lash look I think you've ever seen in a mascara. This is the finished look. I've created a false lash effect using this full control dual-ended mascara. You are gonna absolutely adore this.